Yes.
But so we feel very proud to explore that Apple store, because now we got to know that it's the third Apple store in India, and we got a chance to explore that store, so we feel very proud. And I enjoyed exploring the app, like new apps and new features in Apple devices, and the way people were treating us, the way they welcomed us was very great and a special moment for me.
Which apps have you enjoyed?
Procreate app. In that app, we can make different drawings and we can shade them, make lines and all. It was very easy to make a beautiful drawing in a minute.
Wow.
And what made it easy for you to explore that particular app? Y'all never had explored it earlier, right?
Yes. So there was a pen, and it was easy to use that pen also. And when we were clicking on any option, there were many options to like explore. It was very easy. Like in a minute, you will learn how to use the app.
And the employees also helped us so much, and they told us all features, how they work, and how. And the best thing was now there is a AI feature in Apple.
So you like that?
Yes.
I was so grateful and proud because I get chance to visit the Apple store, and the tabs graphic was more smooth, and I also play game there. That is so that graphics was so smooth that I play enjoyably. I enjoyed that game.
You were saying something about the YouTube person? Something on the YouTube. Something you mentioned.
Like there were some YouTubers also who were vlogging. So when we were exploring the tabs or iPads, a YouTuber came and he was like overacting, like, oh, I feel so heartfelt that these kids are using these tabs. I never used it, so which was like not. It was irrespecting for us, so we don't like that behavior.
We thought that we did not use iPads.
We have never used it again. Like,
but he doesn't know that
we use
iPads
in our school.
So he thought you don't use iPad.
Yeah,
Yes.
he thought.
And you didn't like that what he
Yes.
mentioned.
My overall experience was very well. I enjoyed like going to the mall and being at a ceremony, especially when I found out that this was the third Apple store in the whole of India, and I got to be like at the opening part of it. Also, while we were being entered, I did not expect it to be like that. I thought we were going to be with the like normal people, but we got our own opening, which made us feel like VIPs. And also the people, there were many foreigners there, which I expected them not, like I didn't expect them to be as friendly, but they were very friendly and like engaging with us. Like I wouldn't talk to them, like I wouldn't be the one starting a conversation with them. They were the ones coming to me and like explaining me stuff. So I like the confidence of theirs. And also there was this one game, it's called Asphalt 9, and I before tried that game on my own mobile, but it didn't work as well. And when I went to there, the qualities of the Apple devices were very well. That as a high running game, it required a very high system to run that game, but it still ran it very easily. So I was really surprised from it.
So how are you feeling at the end of the day after the visit?
So awesome. It was awesome. The best part was our entrance.
Yeah.
You enjoyed your entry?
Yes.
How were you all feeling like?
Celebrities.
Although at a moment when the YouTubers or the vloggers came, they were making